Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. My name's Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. Today we're discussing Lyft is raising rates for drivers. So this is a big step, and I want to hear from you guys. This has to do with the rising gas prices. So we're going to dive into the numbers, and I want to comment down below. If you're driving for Lyft right now, what is the gas surcharge? How much extra is Lyft paying you per ride? And also, if you're interested in signing up to be a Lyft driver, you can use our link down below and get a sign-up bonus of up to $1,000 or guaranteed depending on your area. Furthermore, if you've been deactivated by any platform, gig platform, there is now a service that is helping drivers on their journey to reactivation. Use our referral code linked in the description box, and let's get started. So Lyft is adding surcharge of 55 cents due to rising gas prices. Now, I'm making this video now, keeping in mind that this article was written about a month ago. And I want to do a follow-up video basically to keep Lyft accountable. Are they still doing this? 55 cents per ride. Lyft said Wednesday riders in the US, except for those, are drivers keeping all that 55 cents, or is Lyft taking a percentage of that? Lyft said Wednesday riders in the US, except for those in New York, would have to pay an extra 55 cents for their commute as the ride-hailing company looks to cushion the impact of high gas prices on drivers. Companies hiring gig workers have started imposing these surcharges as drivers on social media protest about high gas prices due to Western sanctions on Russia, a major oil producer. The fuel surcharge policy kicks in starting next week and will stay in place for at least 60 days, Lyft said, adding that the money will go directly to drivers. According to the Associated Press, the surcharge is not applicable in New York City due to a 5.3% increase in the minimum earnings standard for drivers there. The company is also working to have the surcharge implemented in Nevada, but said the state's regulatory requirements prevent an immediate rollout there, the AP reported. Lyft's move mirrors that of rival Uber. Lyft's move mirrors that of rival Uber, which said its customers would have to pay a surcharge by 45 cents or 55 cents on each trip. Which, by the way, if you're driving 50 miles, a surcharge of 55 cents isn't very good. And if you're driving, 2 miles, then yeah, 55 cents makes more sense. But if you're doing a 50-mile trip, 60-mile trip, trust me, I've done plenty of those as a driver. 55 cents ain't doing much. That's basically meaning you're getting paid $50.55 as opposed to $50. You don't even notice it. And you're spending like 10 bucks in gas, 15 bucks in gas, 20 bucks in gas just for that trip alone. Keep in mind, you gotta drive back home. If you're driving an hour out of the way, you gotta drive an hour back. Anyways, Tuesday, food delivery company DoorDash has said its US delivery partners would be eligible for a 10% cash back on gas purchases beginning Thursday, which I looked into that DoorDash, you sneaky mother effers. I'm sorry, but the only people who qualify for that is if you have a DoorDash business prepaid debit card, meaning you have a business account, a business debit card that you prepay, put money on, meaning money that, like most drivers don't have an extra, a couple $100 just laying around to put on a business debit card. And most drivers don't have a business set up yet. So it's like, I'm sorry, DoorDash, but they're reaching out to all these media outlets and telling them that they're doing 10% cash back. Really, they're just trying to get people to sign up for their business debit card, which is just like, most people don't even qualify for that. I don't know. It's just a whole ploy, and drivers kind of getting the short end of the stick here. All right, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts. Again, check out the link below to sign up for Lyft. And also, if you've been deactivated by any gig platform, you can check out the link below and use our referral code. Take care now. Have a great day. Bye.